for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Feel like everything.
Shawna, when she says she name on the gram, check her out. You see what I go.
You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come.
Welcome to the Northern Manley International Airport. Welcome to another vlog. We are going to Jamaica. One of my childhood friend died. The funeral is this weekend, so I will be in Jamaica for a funeral. I also have some errands to run. I have a couple stuff I have to take care of this weekend. I hate funerals. Whenever someone that's close to me or someone that I used to be close with die, it just put me in a zone. I need to go before I miss my flight. And then this trip, I'm doing a connecting flight in Fort Lauderdale. So I will be in Florida for overnight because there's no straight flight from Charlotte to Jamaica. So annoying. So annoying. I think I have everything. But yeah, let's go. I think I have everything. I'm trying to close the blinds and everything. I clean my apartment from head to toe. One of the most uplifting feeling is when you come back from a trip and your apartment is clean, organized. You just lift my spirit. Love to come back from a trip with my apartment clean and organized. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2 days. Today is Wednesday, September the 30th. Alexa, what date is today? I think it's the 30th.
Today is Wednesday, August 30th, 2023 in Charlotte. By the way, you have 2 new notifications.
Okay.
Do you want to hear them?
No, thank you. Why are you bursting up my business? But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm closing the blinds, everything. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go to the airport before I'm late. I will be in Florida overnight, so you guys will be keeping my company tonight. I will be in Jamaica by 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's go. Airport fit, a little black comfy dress, my jeans jacket and my Yeezys sneakers. My bags are packed right here. Something simple and comfy because I will be in Fort Lauderdale for the overnight. So just a simple. I cannot believe I'm going to Jamaica 3 weeks after I came back from my disaster trip for a funeral. But guess what? This time I'm going to have fun. Just subscribe, like, and check out my Jamaica vlog that's coming up. Let's go. It's been raining for the past couple days. There's a storm in Florida. I hope my flight is not canceled. At this point, I think it's Charlotte getting the rain, the storm, and not Florida. Because I spoke to my sister not too long ago, and there's no rain in Florida, and it's been raining in North Carolina for the past 2 days. To 3 days. Let's go home to Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper. We love the food and the culture.
Devices for entertainment throughout the flight. You must have your headphones with you as a courtesy to the passengers around you. Otherwise, the volume must be set all the way to 0, all the way down. At this time, we would like your attention as we go over the poor safety features of an Airbus 320 aircraft.
Flying time tonight's an hour and a half. It should be a nice flight, actually. We just came up from Fort Lauderdale. It's pretty nice, even with all the weather. Maybe just a few bumps here or there. Weather down in Lauderdale right now, it's just windy with cloudy skies. Temperatures about 88 degrees. We have wonderful flight attendants on board. They have a very important safety briefing. Please pay close attention to that. Once we get airborne, we'll get that seatbelt sign off. Just do me a favor and keep your seatbelt securely fastened at all times while you're seated, just in case we do hit some unexpected bumps. Thanks for coming with us tonight. We'll be on our way shortly.
I am so happy the flight didn't cancel because of the weather. So happy. Here we go.
Would like to be the first to welcome me to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is 11:24 p.m.
My shuttle bus. Yes, sir. Just got to the hotel. Let's do a quick room search together. Bathroom over here. This is the Holiday Inn, a couple minutes from the airport, not too far away. I will be here just for a couple hours. My flight for Jamaica leave at 10 something a.m. Shower. Going to take a nice warm shower and get some couple hours sleep. I like to mirror over here. Microwave, coffee, fridge. I am so hungry. Let's see if they have water. Not even a bottle of water. Oh my god. Okay, where's the light for here? Oh, okay, that turns on the light up there. What do we have over here? That's the only light we have? What? Yeah, let's get some light going. I have a TV right here. Let's see if there's a view. That's the view I'm working with. Of like a love seat, a situation going on over here, a table over here as usual, a little suitcase stand right here. I did not get all of my luggage. My check-in luggage was checked all the way through Jamaica, so I have my carry-on over here with a change of clothes and some stuff to get fresh. Let's close the door. Okay, that's secure. It's now 12:27. A view from the window just for a couple hours. Good morning. Today is Thursday, August the 31st. Last night I did not sleep for nothing. I twist, I turn, I twist, I turn. But I'm here ready. This layover was long. Okay, I had to get a hotel room because I'm like, I am not staying in the airport. I have done it before when I had a 10-hour layover. And it's the worst thing to do, especially when you're traveling by yourself. So I'm like, let's get, you know, a reasonable or affordable, you know, room for a couple hours for the night. So that's what I did. But I am so ready to go to Jamaica. The hotel have shuttle. The shuttle leave 5 minutes past every hour. So my flight leaves at 10-something, 10:25 I think. So I'm taking the shuttle at 8:05. I should get there around 8:15, 8:20ish, because it's like 7-8 minutes away from the airport, so it's not far. So that's what's up. It's now 7:45. I'm going to go downstairs and see if I can grab some coffee or some fruits. They do have breakfast in the mornings, so let's go. Airport fit. I have this fit for the past 2 years, and I am so surprised it can still fit me with all the weight that I gain. I'm so surprised. It's the material I can fit. Have to be the very stretchy, like spandex material. This is what the vibe is.
Sign will come on momentarily. If you'd like to stretch your legs, this is a good time to do so. Touching down approximately 25 minutes. Partly cloudy skies and 80 degrees. Thank you for choosing Spirit. Hope you enjoy the flight and enjoy the rest of your day.
time to travel, right? That's always go. Right there, that's spot that's it. Always go. So them. Always go right this. Like I don't know. Yeah, always go right this.
Everybody, we reach.
Amen.
Spirit Airlines would like to be the first one to be to Kingston, Jamaica, where the local time is 11:09 a.m.
I see when I go in America because I wasn't watching them. Suitcase dropping up. You know, all that. Wow, you lucky so that you see your suitcase first. Your suitcase come out of mine, come here, watch this. Let's show you. I saw them do it with years, and they are packed in like a book, you know, walking awakening. So they're not there to put them. They're not there to put them like a, that's it now. They just throw them. Jesus, you know, hush, miss, you feel it, hush.
I'm here, safe and sound, tired, hungry. Traveling is not fun anymore. Too hectic. The airport is crowded, confusing. I can't. But I'm here, back at the island. My first stop is the KFC. Have to get my coconut water this time around and not in a plastic bag from Leroy. That's not going to happen. And I'm also going to get my hair done right now. My hair is a mess. So I'm going to get dolled up, get my hair done, my lash done, all that jazz.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
Say hi. We're at the shop. Hi. Cranberry water, please. Say hi. Michelle. Hi. Guys, remember Annie? Remember our girl Annie? Me and Zay carrying the swing tonight.
One liter water, room temperature.
That's for you? Yeah. The baby aunt. Look how hot Jamaica is. Zay is burning up and we are outside on the veranda. And look at the heat. There's no breeze. She's sleeping, yeah? She's going to give me hell tonight. Yeah, man. I am home with baby Zay. Zay, say hi. Wave, say hi. Can you believe baby Zay got so big? But I'm home. I've been traveling since last night. Got my hair done. Did something new. Did like a bob. Because Jamaica is so hot. And when I go back home to Charlotte, I will be hot as well. So I decided to try something different, like a nice short bob. It's the first time I'm doing a bob, and normally I would do center part, but I decided to switch things up this time around. But yeah, I'm going to take a long cool shower, and I'm spending the night with baby Zay. Right, mommy? Right? Yeah. You're spending the night with Shawna? Yes? Yes, mommy? She just wake up. I went to see my mom. Was with my mom for a bit. I went to see my cousins. I was in Saltboro hanging out for a while at my KFC, all that jazz. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Yes, mommy? Love it. Love it. I hope she sleep tonight. It's now, let me see what time it is. It's now 10:39 in Jamaica. And I am exhausted. I'm tired. And I have a baby with me tonight doing my, my mommy duties. Right, mommy? Yes. Give me a smile. Yes, right? We're going to sleep tonight? Lisa is going to sleep. She's going to be nice. We are going to cuddle and sleep. I'm so tired. Tomorrow is another day. I have so much errands to run tomorrow. Right, mommy? Yes. You're going to spend the day with me tomorrow? The day in the life vlog? Yes, yes. She'll love the video. Say yes. Say yay. Yeah, guys. I am going to... So, Daisy, when I'm going to take my shower, what am I going to do with you? I did not think that part out. I did not think it out clearly. What am I going to do? Come. You alright? But guys, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Please remember, like, subscribe. I will be in Kingston and Montego Bay. Say tata. Say good night. Tata. Tata. There you have it, guys. She's telling you to subscribe, right? Say subscribe. Subscribe. Yes. Watch your smile. See that? You guys have to subscribe. Subscribe. Alright, Zay, come. We're going to take a shower. Kind of big on that. Kind of big on that.